In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search multiple PDFs using Adobe Acrobat's advanced search feature. If you've ever found yourself in need of sifting through a ton of PDF documents looking for specific information, you know how daunting that task can seem. Luckily, Adobe Acrobat has a powerful tool that makes this process much more efficient and straightforward. By utilizing the advanced search, you can quickly pinpoint exactly what you're looking for across a library of PDFs. First, let's dive into where this feature resides in Adobe Acrobat. You'll want to start by opening your Adobe Acrobat application. Once open, take a look at the top left corner of the window. There you'll find the hamburger menu icon, which consists of 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. This will reveal a variety of options for you to choose from. Within this menu, you need to navigate to and select the search option. This isn't your ordinary search bar though. You'll want to proceed by clicking on Advanced Search. This step is critical as it unlocks the advanced capabilities we need. Upon selecting Advanced Search, you'll be greeted with a new window. Here, you'll have the ability to specify where you want Adobe Acrobat to search. Choose the option that says All PDF Documents In. This provides you the flexibility to conduct a search on multiple documents simultaneously. Click on the accompanying drop-down menu and then carefully select the folder that contains all of your PDF files. By specifying the folder, Acrobat will know exactly where to look. With the location set, the next task is to identify the precise information you need. Type your chosen keywords into the search bar provided. These keywords are crucial as they guide Acrobat in honing in on the exact information you're after. Take a moment here to think about the specificity of these words as they can significantly impact the results. Now, for a more refined search, you'll notice several checkboxes available to you. Check the boxes for whole words only, and case sensitive if you need to narrow down the search to specific word forms or capitalizations. If your documents contain bookmarks or comments which might be relevant to your search, be sure to check Include Bookmarks and Include Comments. These options enhance the precision and breadth of your search, ensuring no stone is left unturned. Finally, once you've set up your parameters, it's time to click on the search button. This initiates the search operation across all the PDFs in the selected folder. Be patient as Acrobat works its magic, especially if you're searching through a large volume of documents. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently search through multiple PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. This powerful tool can save you both time and effort, ensuring that you can find exactly the information you need without any hassle.